Hi everyone, I'm Brett from Fourier. Today I'm excited to introduce our fan wall, an integrated solution for indoor data center infrastructure. Everything is prefabricated, enabling modular transportation and rapid installation. Let's walk through how that works. The system incorporates power supply and distribution, chilled water fan walls and piping, CDU and secondary cooling loops, manifolds, IT racks, and dynamic environment management functions. It also supports 8 IT racks. The air side supports fan wall cooling and is compatible with standard air-cooled servers. This can also be customized depending on use case. For higher densities, the system combines liquid cooling with air cooling. The air-to-liquid ratio can reach 1:9, ensuring low PUE operation. A full-range monitoring system enables remote management. Our fan wall is designed for modular AI and HPC data centers, delivering rapid deployment, energy efficiency, intelligent management, and high security. For more information on this product, please contact us directly or visit our website. Our team looks forward to hearing from you.